Two top contenders in the CRM world, but only one can truly transform your business. Who has the edge? On one side, Keap, the all-in-one CRM famous for its automation. On the other, Nutshell, a streamlined solution designed for sales teams. We're stacking them up in areas that matter most: automation, ease of use, pricing, integrations, support, and more. Forget the marketing hype, we're diving into what actually works. We'll tally up the points in every round and show you, category by category, who comes out ahead. And the final winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, let's map this out before we go all in. Here's what we're going to look at: pricing, features, integrations, usability, support, and, security, because let's face it, no one wants their sales data floating around. I'll break down how Keap and Nutshell stack up in each of these. Ready? Let's go. So, let's kick things off with pricing. Keap's got a whole menu of plans with some decent discounts if you go annual. But get this, the starting price is definitely on the higher side, and yeah, advanced automations will cost you extra. On the flip side, Nutshell, super transparent about what you pay, no hidden fees, and hey, they actually offer a free trial. That's always nice. Now, if you're looking for advanced integrations right at the cheapest tier, just a heads up, not gonna happen with Nutshell. But overall, in the pricing game, Nutshell's definitely the more approachable choice. Features? Oh man, here's where Keap starts bragging. Automation? Check. Email and SMS marketing? Yep, right there. Payments, appointments, and honestly, it's packed. With the slight catch that it might take you a little while to really get the most out of everything. Nutshell, though, sticks to the core. The pipeline management is clean, you get sales automation and reporting, so it's really streamlined. The thing is, if you're dreaming of fancy marketing features built right in, Nutshell might leave you wanting more. All that said, Keap just edges it out here for all that firepower. But what about integrations? Both are actually pretty solid here. Keap gives you the big players like Zapier and Gmail, even QuickBooks. But yeah, you'll notice API access is locked behind those higher priced plans. Nutshell, Google, Outlook, Slack, MailChimp, all those crowd favorites are there. But sometimes you'll have to get a little creative with workarounds if you want to connect more obscure apps. So really, integrations are honestly a tie between these two. Oh, and here's a fun fact for you. Did you know the earliest CRM systems popped up way back in the 1980s? They were basically digital Rolodexes. Imagine managing your leads with one of those. Anyway, let's get back to the breakdown. Let's talk usability. Keap does want to help you out. They've got a guided setup and customizable workflows. But, the learning curve? Yeah, it's real, especially if you're new to automation. Nutshell, though, totally lives up to its name. That interface is smooth, super easy to pick up, and your team could be up and running like tomorrow. The only thing is, if you want to tweak every little thing in Nutshell, you might be out of luck on the lower plans. Still, on pure ease of use, Nutshell takes it. On the support front, honestly, it's kinda close. Keap gives you live chat, phone, and even dedicated onboarding, but the response time sort of depends on which plan you're on. Nutshell matches up with live chat, email, and onboarding help, but here's the catch: phone support only shows up on those premium tiers. So, depending on what support looks like for you, it's basically a tie. Last, but definitely not least, security. Keap's rocking two-factor authentication, data encryption, GDPR compliance, all the right moves. Nutshell's got SOC 2 compliance on top of being GDPR ready, so you can sleep at night either way. Honestly, can't pick a favorite here. It's another tie. Let's zoom out and see the big picture across all our categories. You'll see some close calls and a few spots where one tool really pulls ahead. It's pretty clear the strengths here are pretty well defined. Alright, bottom line. If you're running a growing business and need automation and built-in marketing, Keap is honestly ready to handle whatever you throw at it, after you get used to it, of course. But if you and your sales team just want something that's dead simple and helps you move fast, Nutshell is kinda perfect. For this matchup, I gotta hand it to Nutshell. It just nails the stuff that matters most for most teams. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips, reviews, and deep dives like this one.